Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This video I will show you how to print employees Iqama. When we issue Iqama, after that we have to request through Muqeem. Then only we will receive employees Iqama card through post. Here I will show you how to make request from Muqeem. Okay friends, please see my video, you will understand. Just open company Muqeem using company username password. We will receive OTP. Okay, I received OTP. After that, continue. This is our company Muqeem homepage. I just changed the language English. The left side you will see the option printing service. Okay, you just select printing services. Okay, here we have to make request so that only we will receive employees Iqama card. Okay, here we can see all our previous request and details. Okay, here there is option create printing package. I just selected. Okay, here we have to make create add Iqama. Okay, we have to select add Iqamas. Then here we have to select other transaction. Okay, from here we have to give all employees Iqama number. Okay, so I am going to print 28 employees Iqama. So I am giving their Iqama. Then search. If there is error, it will show you. If there is no error, it will automatically it will add. I added one employee. Like this, I am going to add 28 employees Iqama. Okay, friends, we have to select the service category is other transaction. Okay, then we have to give employees Iqama number. Okay, now I am adding 28 employees Iqama number. Okay, then if there is any employees passport is expired, we cannot able to print the Iqama. This is only one condition. Okay, so if you are going to print employees Iqama, you just check if they have a expired passport, we cannot able to print their Iqama card. This is the condition. Okay, now I am adding 28 employees Iqama. Okay, this is the cart package list. Okay, you just check all the details are correct, the name, employee name, everything, Iqama number and employee name. No need to print if someone have Iqama card, no need to add them. Okay, you just add, you can add new employees. If someone lost their Iqama, you can add, no problem, you can add it here. Now I almost finished. Okay, now I added 28 employees Iqama. After that, you just check it, everything, all the informations are correct. See, one box 28 Iqama. Okay friends, now we have to check the details and we have to click continue. We need Muqeem points. This is online, we have to purchase Muqeem points, so that only we can make request. I already make video for how to make Muqeem points. Okay, here I need for 28 Iqama printing. For printing I need 2250 points, so I am going to purchase now because we don't have points. So I am purchasing. There is option purchase Muqeem points here. Now I am purchasing. Okay, after purchasing we will get the invoice. From the invoice we have to pay. Okay, now I am making quotation for 2250 points. Already make a video for how to make Muqeem points. Please check my other videos, you can understand. Okay, I agree and purchase. This is the quotation. Once we paid this amount, the invoice automatically it will create here, so we can print the invoice. So this is the quotation. Okay friends, this is the quotation. So I paid. Okay, after I paid, if you come here again, see there is points available. Now we have to go again printing services. Here what we our previous request already here available. We just click edit option, so we can see now add. Now check everything if it's okay. You just click add Iqama to package or continue, both are same. Okay, this is our branch number is our number. You just select we already added our address, so you just click the address. This is our company branch number, so it start from 700. Okay, the sponsorship number. So here recipient information, here we have to give who is going to receive this Iqama card. So you can give your admin manager or HR manager detail. So they will receive message, then they will go and collect the Iqamas. Okay, so I am giving the details, Iqama number, ID number. If Saudi, you just give Saudi ID number, the name, their name, his name and his mobile number, then email. So he will receive the OTP. Okay, once it's post delivered or going to deliver. I am entering our admin manager number. Okay, so his ID number and name, his mobile number and email. Then after that we have to click confirm printing package. Once we click, our Muqeem, our admin manager, he will receive OTP for this package. Okay, now I am waiting for OTP. Okay, I received the OTP. Okay, after that click verify. Once we click verify, see, printing package created successfully. This is our package number. Okay friends, this is the way how to print employees Iqama card through Muqeem request. Please support and subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, ask me in comment section. Thank you so much.